to this class, and we are looking at, in this module, how to import images into your CorelDraw. In previous classes, we've documented and we've learned a lot. We've seen working with pictures, we've seen working with shapes, we've seen how to write text. By now, you are familiar with the interface of the CorelDraw software. So, to start, let's have a content in our design board. Let's have something like maximizing opportunities in agriculture. Alright. Now, let's just take it that I want to bring a picture into this design. And to do that, all you have to do is come to this icon on the standard bar and click on import. But before you click on import, when you hover your mouse on the icon here, you would see import a file into the active document. The icon beside it says export. Save a duplicate of the document to a different file format, and then we have the last option here. It says PDF, publish to PDF, export the document to the PDF file format. We'll be looking at the other two options or icons in subsequent lectures, but for now we are working with knowing how to import a file into the active document. And now clicking on it is going to direct me to my computer. I will have to go to where my pictures are. I practically have this in some folders. So let's see if I have anything. I don't have anything on agriculture right now, so I might have to change that, but let me just see if I can get any image. That's what, oh, okay, beautiful. In agriculture, let's take it that I'm using these two images. All I just have to do is select the image that I want and import it. So I can click and drag, and I've brought in my images here. Alright, so now when we import our pictures, we can do anything we want to do. Actually, the color of agriculture is practically green, but that is just how to import pictures. You can import as many pictures as you like into your design. Once again, a recap is go to your standard bar. On your standard bar, go to the import menu icon there and select it, and then you are taken back. A dialog box is displayed and you can navigate to where your pictures have been saved. Probably you downloaded it, or you snapped a picture, or you copied from your phone or your device to your system. Anywhere your files are on the system, just navigate there and import. When you are done selecting, you import. When you import, you can click and drag on this on your canvas here, or you can decide to press enter. It will be displayed. That is how to work with. I can press enter and center. So that is how to work with images and how to import images into your design. like I always say, make it a good practice to save your work as you design or before you design. How to import pictures into CorelDraw. Yes, you save your work. When you have started saving your file, your saving icon will come, will be displayed here. Once it is done saving, it will not be seen anymore. We are done saving, and that is how to import pictures into the CorelDraw. So thank you for listening and watching this lecture. I'm sure that you'll be able to apply what you've learned, and you'll do better at bringing in pictures for your designs. Till I see you in the next lecture. Ciao, ciao.